My name is Sinethemba Diba, currently doing Matric at Sivananda Technical High School. Truth be told is Matric is very draining from the starting point up until here. As draining as it is, we still put up our energy and everything that we have to make sure that we pass and get good marks each and every term. Now that we're 100 days away to write our exams, it's more draining and more pressure now. So it's very important that we focus, we dedicate ourselves to our books, read, study all the time you get. Just make sure that you study, and I promise you, the good results are coming your way. And we need to go to those varsities. We need to make our parents proud. We need to make the world proud, and we need to show the world who's boss. And really, this is who we are, the Matriculants of 2022.